Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Economics questions can be tricky, but we will master the law of supply right now. Let us solve this problem together in just 60 seconds. The law of supply states that there is a direct relationship between price and quantity supplied. When prices drop, producers naturally want to sell less because their potential revenue is lower. As the price of a good decreases, the profit margin for the producer shrinks significantly. This makes it less attractive to bring goods to market, so the quantity supplied falls down. Options D and E describe demand, not supply. Since lower prices reduce profit, producers sell less. This makes option C our perfect choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust given facts and check steps carefully.